What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we have something a little different. It's still going to be a phone, but it's very, very different. Now this phone is for a specific person. This is either going to be for the firefighter, the active person that's always hiking, biking, or maybe for the person that actually works in construction. This is the NUU Mobile R1. I got this when I went to CES 2019, courtesy of NUU Mobile, so a huge shout out to NUU Mobile for sending this device out. They sent it out for my unbiased review, so a huge shout out to them. And today I'm basically going to give you my unboxing and first impressions. So let's go ahead and turn this around right here. This is the black version. I'm not sure if they have any other colors, but this retails for $149. Not a lot of other rugged phones, especially the cat phones. Those are probably one of the most popular rugged phones, and the active series that Samsung has are like $400 plus. So this is an affordable phone for either that construction worker, the active person that I said before, who's either rock climbing or doing something like that, or maybe even a firefighter or a policeman. So specifications on this device is a 5-inch HD IPS display, so 720p HD, 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU. We have a rear-facing camera that's 8 megapixels, front-facing camera that is 2 megapixels. We have dual SIM in this device as well. We have 2 GB of RAM plus 16 GB of internal storage, and we have a 4,000 mAh battery. So I'm guessing this is going to be a pretty heavy phone considering it is rugged and it has a pretty big battery. Let's go ahead and cut into this. Remember to always cut away from you so you don't get hurt. Open this up. Now this is pretty much, honestly, the first rugged phone that I've had on the channel. I don't think I've had any of the active series phones on this channel. You can definitely correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't got any of the active series phones on this channel, so I'm really excited about this one. Right here we have the phone. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Let's go ahead and take this out. We also have our SIM tray ejector tool right here. We have the thank you pamphlets right here. We have our startup guide. We have our USB to micro USB charging cable, and we have our power adapter. Now some of the other key features that I actually saw on this device right here, if you can see, this is a shock and drop proof up to 2 meters. If you guys don't know what 2 meters is, it's about 6.5 feet, so 6.6 feet. And as far as water and dust proof, this is IP68 certified, which is absolutely awesome. Next we have the phone right here. Let's go and take that out. It's going to go ahead and show the specifications right here again. But as I said before, we do have military protection right here, shock and drop proof, 4,000 mAh battery. Let's go ahead and take this off though. I believe this does come in with a built-in screen protector, so that's always cool. Really sleek looking phone though so far. We do have some capacitive buttons, so that's always cool to see. Let's go to the back of the device, and wow. Looks like we have a tank of a phone right here. Also on the back, it states again, it's IP68. Looks like we have a honeycomb design, really nice looking design on the back of the device. We have our rear facing speaker on the back right here, as well as our camera. This is gonna be an 8 megapixel rear shooter. We have our flash, and we have our microphone, but really nice looking phone so far. Right side of the device, we have our volume up and down button, power button, and we actually have a single button right here where we can take photos. It has a little camera emblem on it. We also have the top and bottom screws right here for stability, so that's pretty nice. Left side of the device, we have our SIM and SD card slot. Top of the device, it looks like we have our headphone jack right here, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but they actually put these rubber tips inside of here to protect each port that we have, which I think is pretty cool. Definitely adds to that IP rating. And the bottom, we have our micro USB blocked again with one of those rubber tips. But let's go ahead and boot up this device. So far in the hand though, feels really nice. Built-in screen protector, which is pretty cool. We have our 2 megapixel camera up front and our headset. But let's go ahead and boot this up. Alright, cool. So it's charged to actually 90% right now, so that's pretty cool. Looks like it's pretty stock Android actually. So stock Android on here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the software really quick. Nice looking screen so far though. We have an HD screen on this device, as I said before. Alright guys, so it looks like we're rocking Android 8.1, so that's pretty cool. I have Android Oreo on this device. We're going to take a look at the camera really quick, and then we're going to take a look at the speakers, and we're going to call it a day. We are going to do a full review on this device later on, but this is merely the unboxing and first impressions. Let's go ahead and take a look at the camera really quick. So as far as the camera so far, the rear facing camera doesn't look too good. I'll pop a photo right here on the screen. This definitely isn't a phone for a photographer. That's all I have to say. But so far, doesn't look too horrible, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people can overlook that, seeing how rugged this phone is and what type of things you do with this phone.
What's up, Tech Kings? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing a public experiment. Now, have you ever thought to yourself, why do people...
So the screen actually looks pretty good. This is actually a really loud phone, honestly. I'm not sure if this is stereo speakers. It sounds like it's stereo speakers, but so far it's a really loud phone. The picture quality looks good for 720p, so we have an HD screen on here. But so far, really nice built phone. We have rubber corners on the side, so this is going to be a shockproof phone. But this isn't for the person who wants the best specification, who wants the best camera, who wants all that. This is for the person who on a day-to-day basis needs this for the kind of work they do. So the person that is probably going to buy this phone is either an outdoorsy person or they need to use this for the job. So whether you need to work in some treacherous conditions such as rain, or maybe you're a rock climber or a firefighter, or maybe even a construction worker if you guys are working with power tools, this is definitely a bang for your buck. $150 to have a phone that's practically indestructible is a pretty good deal. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick up this phone, the link will be in the description down below. It's $150 on Amazon. It will be an affiliate link, so if you guys do use that link, I will get a very small portion of it, but everything does help the channel. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.